driving downtown, foot pushed on the pedal. Move through songs we played together. Feel like we're on holiday. I got a feeling it's a good day. We're driving downtown, foot pushed on the pedal. Move through songs we played together. Feel like we're on holiday. I got a feeling it's a good day.
Morning guys, we are up, we're out, and we're about.
Heading to get the bus for Blizzard Beach.
Blizzard Beach day today, beautiful. And if there's any difference in quality, it's obviously because we're on the water camp. One thing I like about water park day, I don't have to carry my big bag.
I was going to ask if you can carry this over your shoulder.
Oh. So yeah, we're heading to Blizzard Beach today. We did plan on getting up at 8 o'clock, as usual. Well, Emily forgot to set her alarm.
I didn't set an alarm, no.
I set my alarm for 8 o'clock, but then went to reset it for 8:30, but then forgot to press save. And then the next time I actually checked, it was like just past 9 o'clock.
I struggled with waking up this morning.
Oh, you should have seen it this morning. I was like, what are you doing? Oh, just putting my makeup on. It's a water park day. And she's like,
It's waterproof.
I don't know what's going on. Macy was half hanging out of the bed this morning. Where are you going?
I don't know.
We're just heading up to the bus and we'll get to Blizzard Beach. And it should be good because we've never been there before either, have we? Because usually when we come, Typhoon Lagoon's open or it was too cold in December, January time. We will see you at the buses. Ooh. These metal chairs, who thought these were a good idea? They're hot.
Yeah, I'm not.
They're hot, and it is 12 minutes past 10. It's 28 degrees. Hopefully, our sun cream works a bit better today, because to be honest, I'm still a little bit red from the sunburn. We'll wait for this bus in the sun, because this is the one that isn't shaded. We could go and sit in the shade, but we're not gonna. Oh, this is our bus, I think. Yay, winning. We got a Mickey bus. Not a Pluto, but we'll take that. Whew. It is chilly in an aircon bus.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe. Striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night.
Right, so we've just got in, and as you come in on the left-hand side is where you can pick up your towels.
Yeah, Goofy was there as well.
Oh yeah, Goofy was there. So here's our first views of Blizzard Beach. Oh, the lockers are over here to the right. So we'll head there first and go get a locker.
Should we go get in?
We've got a Monster Ultra Blue Hawaiian to try. Give her a walk this way, anything?
Ah, it's really cold.
It is very similar to a lot of the other ones.
Oh, can we have a little taste test behind the camera? I like the colour of the cap.
I like the colour of it.
Oh yeah.
Nice
It's a bit
Hawaiian
blue
sort of punch.
raspberry-ish
Yeah.
thing.
Blue.
So far, I'm liking the lockers more and the toilets more than Typhoon Lagoon.
I haven't been to the toilet yet, but the lockers, yeah, the lockers are good.
You have like the lockers are all shaded and have seating areas, and then the The toilets are better lit than the Typhoon Lagoon one.
Quite strange.
We just want to head to the lazy river,
It's
please.
like the lazy river goes the opposite way around.
Yeah, do you want to get in the lazy river? Shallower than the other
It
one.
feels it at the moment, but I think it's because we're in like the bit where you get in sort of side. The floor feels more gritty.
Does it? I have my shoes on.
I just scraped my leg across the bottom of it. I was looking back there for you. I thought you were further back. Just up here, out of the tunnel, there's a load of floats. Or rafts, whatever. Are we going to go get some, Macy?
Yeah, I don't really want one.
Well, I'm going to go get one.
See ya.
There you go. Got a raft now. Emily chilling. Macy's chilling. So, the floor in here, this bit isn't too bad, but that first bit where we came in, it was like grip tape on a skateboard.
Shallow.
This is more shallow than the other one, I'd say, definitely. And it's like it's the same sort of depth all the way around. And at Typhoon Lagoon is 3 foot something. There is definitely a difference. Oh, it's nice just some little slides up there. It's nice just floating along. Oh, got to float in front of me. Trying to get my feet on it. There we go. Oh gosh. Got my old trotters on it.
Guys.
That jet of water nearly pulled me shorts down. Oh. Jet of water nearly pulled me shorts down. Hello.
I love the lazy river.
I love a lazy river. Like lady river? Lazy river. This one seems more shaded as well. More shaded in places.
What's it smell?
I don't know, it smells a bit like peas. Not pea. I don't know why it smells like that. But yeah, it's definitely more shaded. So if you were sunburnt, then it's a good one. Emily loving life. Macy's going la la. Going crazy today in here. It's supposed to be chilling. Very relaxing when you're not jumping around me.
Oh God, Daddy.
How are you getting in it?
I'm gonna keep doing the peace sign.
Macy, look at the chimney. See if it gets Emily. Oh, I didn't get her.
Get your sticky hand off! Stay away!
Cheetah.
Cheetah, hands on fire!
Cheat your pants on fire.
Cheetah pants on fire.
Oh, Emily's cheating.
She's it!
She can't paddle fast enough, so she just ran here.
Obviously. She doesn't know how to paddle.
Getting stuck behind people.
I know!
Right, so we've hopped out of the lazy river, which was good. Which one do you prefer? Emily likes Typhoon Lagoon better, Macy? Both. I do still think I prefer Typhoon Lagoon. Here it is more shaded, but then you do get a lot more like branches and leaves and stuff like that in it, don't you?
Yeah. Oh, it's very shallow, yeah.
It's very shallow and it's tighter, so that you can get a big build up of people. We're currently outside Lottawatta Lodge. Lottawatta Lodge. We just got our food, we just scanned over there. Emily went for the chicken flatbread, was it?
Yeah, I can't remember the actual name of it.
Chicken flatbread or pizza, whatever. I went for a bacon cheeseburger with fries. Oh, with the drinks, here they've got the Coke freestyle machines. So that's the thing, I think if you held on to these, you could probably just come back and top them back up. Little hack there, unless it only has one registration for each cup, I don't know. I don't think so, no. So I got a grape Minute Maid, Emily got a Sprite, Macy got a Sprite and fruit punch, vitamin water mix. The only thing again with the kids' meals is,
You're gonna get two options.
yeah, you literally get the options of either chicken strips or what was the other one?
Chicken rice bowl.
Chicken rice bowl, which wasn't really what Macy would want. For children, I think, like especially when you sort of limit yourself with being on with a quick service meal or the plan or the dining plan. So she's pretty much restricted at the moment a lot of times to the same sort of thing. So that's why we keep trying to find places that have maybe a rice bowl or something a bit different. But then she didn't want a rice bowl. And then there wasn't an option for pizza, there wasn't an option for a burger, which I'm sure they could have done or put on there, so I don't know. So yeah, we're gonna, I don't know, taste test basically food. Here's Emily.
I've tasted it and I think it's nice, a bit different. It's got a nice flavour to it. It's like on a white sauce with mozzarella, chicken, red onion. It's just basically a pizza.
And it's a decent size.
Yeah.
Yes, Macy, what did you think of yours? Very good, very nice. And she got like a little orange with it. So I do think when I can't remember, when you book tickets for the parks, when you get to age 9, you have to get an adult ticket. I wonder if it's the same with the quick service meals, because you saw some of them said the meals were like 9 and below, weren't you? So when they're 9, it could possibly be that they still have to have a child's meal, which I don't think is that good then, is it? So, hey. For this would have cost us $43.45, but because of the quick service meal, it is free. I will try mine. Very good chips. It's not like burger, to be honest. Yeah, you know, it is.
Oh,
And there's
that
some
burger's
birds
about
just
to eat
coming
that
up.
person's food. Nice.
It has like a flame grilled flavour to it.
Looks nice.
That's probably one of the better quick service sort of burgers I've had. It tastes a bit like the, you know, Burger King flame grilled
Oh
burger.
right, yeah.
Tastes a bit like that.
And then Goofy's over
At the entrance.
there.
Oh yeah. Oh, and we've actually seen there's a buttons.
Oh yeah, there's a
brownie
drink,
mint
there's a
shake.
shake that we're gonna try after as well.
So we're gonna maybe get that, give that a go, and then have another look around. Maybe see the main pool. Maybe look at a couple of the flume rides.
Yeah.
So yeah, should be good. I have just been in queue at Lottawatta Lodge for how long?
Half an hour.
It's not half an hour.
It's been ages.
It's been ages. It was a big queue. Got to the front. Can I have a Buttons brownie mint shake? Put a picture on the screen up here. And then it said, oh, the milkshake machine's not working. Is this McDonald's or what? So,
Would have been nice to have known that.
yeah,
Well,
put something on the screen saying unavailable or something like that. But hey, we progress. Digress, progress, whatever. I don't know. But yeah, we got instead a dozen donuts and
Milkshake with a
Frosty
spoon.
lemonade thing.
a snowman.
Yeah.
I can't remember what it's called. I took a picture of
Lemonade.
it. It's called Happy Snowman. That's what it's called. I'm gonna have a donut first. Fresh donut. Very good. Very nice. Just sugar on it. You can get dips, but they were like $1.99 each. So. Oh, can't go wrong with donuts. Well, they're a bit undercooked, but hey, I don't care. I like donuts, my favourite thing. And for these, came to $20.75. And we'll put on screen in English monies Give this a whirl. It's like a blue raspberry, like every other blue drink. I mean, they didn't even have straws for these drinks. The other thing I was going to mention, with the lockers that are here, they're $15 for the day for a large one, or 10 for a small one. Get the large. You can go back, unlock them, get stuff out. It's basically for the day. You just create a code, don't you? So don't think that when you get a locker, you can only lock it the once. You create a code, use it all day. When you've finished, just put on the machine, on the locker that says end rental, and then you can't use it anymore. Yeah, we're going to eat our food, drink our drinks, and then maybe go in the main pool, maybe have a look at some of the rides. Oh, and we didn't do this earlier on because we've only done about 6 series, so we're very new at this. If you haven't watched our vlogs before, I'm Adam.
I'm Emily.
And we do vlogs of our holidays. Hopefully you enjoy them. Hopefully they might help you out on your next trip. We are on Instagram. Get in touch with us on there. We love chatting rubbish with people. If we can help you, if you're thinking of vlogging, pick up a camera, just do it. We're gonna eat this, ride some rides, have a bloody marvellous Thursday. Yeah, have a great day without our mint shake, because this place is like bloody McDonald's. Right, see you in a bit. Bye. Right, we decided we're gonna go on a family ride in one of the rafts.
Yeah.
And even though we took the mick a bit out of Emily and her swimming shoes, I think they are a bit of a game changer, because if your feet hurt walking on like hard floor, and obviously it is very hot, it is like burning hot, you have to go from shade to shade or shade to water. Macy's literally running from one bit to another. But yeah, them swimming shoes, complete game changer to be able to not burn your feet, not have your feet hurt. So maybe look at getting some, trying them. They do have little water sprinkler bits down here, like these, so you can get your trotters out. But yeah, so if your feet hurt or you think your kids are going to complain because the floor's too hot, get them some of them. We're just going to jump on the ski lift to get up to the family sort of ride. And we're going to jump on now.
Look, that's
You think he's struggling with the weight?
Oh, we broke it now.
Don't swing it.
I think we broke it.
with hands, arms.
Maybe they've got to get a new motor.
Oh.
We're going again. Get to dangle your feet off. You can see Tower of Terror. It's there. So we got Expedition Everest there. Tree of Life is just here. And then you've got the floating islands of Pandora. Oh, it's cool, you can see quite a lot from up here. Shows how high up these are. Here you can see, if I'm pointing in the right area, just can't see on the screen, that's Galaxy's Edge, your Tower of Terror, you can see Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. Oh no! What do we say? Oh yeah, That was good. Oh. Oh. Well, why can't I have a lazy river like this? That was good, wasn't it?
Yeah, I like that.
Get on out. Get on. Right, go on, Macy. And yeet over there.
I like that ride a lot.
Yeah.
I want to do it again.
That ride was definitely worth it. Yeah, should we go to the main pool? Yeah, we'll go do that. But yeah, I wish they had lazy rivers, just like them family rocks.
Yeah.
Just chill going around there. Main pool time. We've just come out the, what's it, main pool?
Wave.
The wave pool. And it seems like it's just waves. Oh no, it's not.
Oh no, no, it's still.
I thought it was waves constant, because it was just constant for like 10 minutes that we were in there for. But it's now still. So, yeah, if you don't like waves, it does turn into a still pool. We're going to have a look at some of the other rides, slides that are over here, but Macy, she's not too keen on going on them, so I think we're going to hit the lazy river, catch a ride back over to the ski lift.
Yeah.
And then we're going to go back on the family one again, because we loved that, wasn't it?
Yeah, that was really good.
It was so good. Definitely give that one a go. Even if you're worried about slides, you will love that one. Right, we're just walking on into the lazy river now. We're in.
It's a bit hard. This one without one, because it's so shallow. Like,
Yeah.
the lagoon one was easier.
Yeah, to get around if you don't have a float, because it's deeper, where this one's literally like 2.5 foot.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna float one down. Gonna get that family one done again, and then we'll maybe check the time, because obviously we need to still get back. We want to go to Hollywood Studios tonight. Oh, I do want to try. I've seen they've got funnel cakes here, so I think I might try a funnel cake from here. I'm getting run into. So I might get a funnel cake. We will see. We'll see you back at the ski lift.
Those two. Can't fit in one. And he's sinking. And he's sinking. When Emily is completely sinking and Daddy is on top, floating away.
It's fun. I'm not a fan of this float. I feel like I'm just sinking into it.
Well, if you get off we just got out at Cross Country Creek, and this, Daddy does know where he's going, Cross Country Creek. So if you want to get onto the ski lift, we've just got out there, and the ski lift is just up here. Ah, this floor is so hot. We've just been in the main pool for a bit longer, because of, what is it, incremental weather? There's a storm coming. They've stopped the ski lift and the big old walk. We couldn't be walking up there. we don't have a massively long time. I think we'll just end up getting changed, leaving, gonna head back to the resort, and then get ourselves to Hollywood Studios. So we're gonna leave here, say goodbye to Blizzard Beach. Macy's still in the water, and we're gonna get ourselves changed and back to the resort. We've just gone past the funnel cake stand, and they look nice. I think there is one at Hollywood Studios, so I'm gonna hunt that out. Might just try one there because it's one thing I haven't had at Disney yet. Oh, and a lot of people say about the Disney Cokes how amazing they are. It tastes like Coke. I don't know. Are we getting it from the wrong places? They just taste like normal Coke, but maybe because it's in Disney they're a bit more special. I don't know. Or we're getting them from the wrong places. Right, we will see you when we see you, when we've got more clothes on. Well, Macy's buzzing about this as we were leaving.
I thought I could get a Pluto one.
She's got a tattoo, Cool Kids Summer. And it was
Free! Oh gosh, sorry.
free! That's the entrance to Blizzard Beach there. And then you can get to the miniature golf, which is also included in our ticket, but we're not going to be doing it this time. Blizzard Beach, mini golf, winning. And I think a storms are brewing. Hopefully it doesn't cancel Fantasmic, because we're going to kick off. Well, if you are going from Blizzard Beach to Animal Kingdom, you can get a bus direct there. Not just going back to the resorts. So, we will see you real soon. Right, that's us all showered, changed, ready to get on this Skyliner at Hollywood Studios. And it was cool that we got to see it from Blizzard Beach.
Yeah, that was cool.
As well. Obviously, not been to Blizzard Beach before, so we haven't seen this one. Like I said, we're off on the Skyliner. We do want to watch the new Ariel show, hence Macy is wearing
Ariel
stuff.
And yeah, we're hoping to watch Fantasmic as well.
Hopefully Fantasmic.
Hopefully it won't get cancelled.
The weather's okay, because last time got cancelled, gutted.
Yes.
And
This will be our last time.
This is our last chance, yeah.
that's it. Last
probably see
chance
it. I mean,
for the rodeo.
There is tomorrow, but
There is. We will see. Brought a drink out with me. C4 Jolly Rancher watermelon. Might try it in the Skyliner.
It's banana and watermelon.
I wish it was banana and watermelon. I don't know how that would go
that's
together,
a bit of a
but
weird combination.
I do like banana and I like watermelon. So, we did say we'd go one day wandering to Art of Animation. You just
We
run out of
say a lot
time.
of things. We have a lot of plans,
Yeah.
but you can't do everything.
No, we were saying 11 days is sort of perfect for us. Keeps the holiday costs down a bit.
Yeah.
And we can get a lot of stuff done. But then we say 14 days would be nice,
Yeah,
because then we
we'd still have
them,
like 5 days left now.
we'd have them extra days to be
Chill
able to do
and
stuff and chill and
a bit
have a
more.
water park day and different things like that. Hey ho, what can we do? Can't extend it now. This is what we're going on.
Yeah.
Is there anything in the water today? A few fish. That's about it. There's Macy. Right, let's get on the Skyliner.
We might not be enough room.
Thank you. Get trying.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Pop Century Resort and Disney's Art of Animation Resort. We are on our way to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. We are now gliding over Hourglass Lake. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy the most magical flight on Earth.
I like that.
Is it nice?
Very Jolly Rancher tasting.
Is it?
You know, like their sweets, they have a distinct sort of taste.
Yeah. Let me have a
It
little
says Jolly Rancher.
taste.
And my mouth is watering. Hey, oh,
It
this
definitely
is-
has that Jolly Rancher taste to
It
it,
says Jolly
Oh,
Rancher
yeah.
on it.
doesn't it?
I know what you mean. Go with that.
If you like Jolly Ranchers, you will love that one. If you like watermelon, that's the one for you. We are flying over Caribbean beach, or if you're from America, Caribbean beach.
No, we're not.
What?
We're not flying over Caribbean.
Oh, well, we're
beach
heading
yet.
to it. We're headed to it. We're nearly over it. We're flying over
The
a
wetlands.
road, wetland, gravel. Give me my drink back. Thank you very much.
Now we're heading
In
to
just a few
Caribbean
moments,
beach.
we will be arriving at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. Thank you for
Alligators.
flying the Disney Skyliner.
Oh, we have loved it. It'd be nice if it was longer.
And if you didn't have to get off, that would be nice.
Oh yeah, if this was just like all the way
Straight.
to Hollywood Studios, get on once, get off.
Yeah.
Because it is a bit annoying.
Having to get off. And
I like
again.
the ride back from Epcot though. Where it's like you've got a decent amount of time to get to here,
Yeah.
and you stay on at the Riviera. So what is the weather looking like? It is a bit cloudy.
I know. Do we have our ponchos?
I do.
Do you have Macy's?
I do.
Good.
Do you have
The umbrella?
I do.
Remember to take that out of your
think.
bag, ready for walking through the thing. Because I can't be bothered waiting for you.
It's just been a nightmare. Last time I was good with
No, you just can't be
security.
bothered to take the
Please
umbrella.
remain seated.
I couldn't last
The doors
time.
automatically open.
We'll take it out when we're on the Skyliner. We don't know how much we'll get
And
done
watch your step.
on this
Thank you for flying with
trip
us.
to Hollywood Studios, do we?
No. Hopefully the Little Mermaid show on Fantasmic.
Let me drink this.
Yeah, if we can get them two done, great. If we can get anything else done, bonus. And we do want to have, we need to have tea
Yeah.
somewhere. I would like a funnel cake.
Yeah.
If not, I will have to get one tomorrow.
Squeaky.
Which side am I on? I'll stand.
So we've just arrived in Hollywood Studios. We're gonna make our way to the Little Mermaid
It looks busy.
to see the show. It looks like a lot of people are leaving.
Yeah. Hopefully they're all going to see the Magic Kingdom Night Parade.
Well, we're gonna go and hopefully get to see this show. What time is it now?
It is 6 minutes past 6, so we've just missed the 6 o'clock one.
Right. So when's
But
the
at least we
next
can
one?
queue
6:40.
6:40.
Right, hopefully we'll be able to queue for the next one. We shall see.
I'm sweating already.
Yeah, it is.
It's
not
something
as-
about Hollywood Studios.
It's not
I
as warm
start
as
to
it
sweat.
has been, but
No.
it is still warm. So let's head to the Little Mermaid show.
Thank you! I'm really looking forward to this performance.
Up we are the Dodgers of Triton, great father who loves us and named us well.
Look at this trove, treasures untold. How many wonders could one count? Where they lie, where they run, where they stay all day in the sun.
Just look at the world around you, right here on the ocean floor. Your problem is quite simple. Become a human yourself. Yeah, you see her sitting there across the way.
What would I do to see you smiling at me?
just come out of
The
Little
Ariel
Mermaid, a musical adventure, I think it's called. What did we think? Macy's already said very good, very nice, which is a common saying from her.
She's easily impressed.
What did you think?
I thought it was okay.
I thought it was okay.
It was very like rushed. And if you didn't know the Little Mermaid story, you would easily have been confused.
There was
about what was going on.
Well, there was a big section. There was something that happened, and they had to stop the show. They cut a big bit out.
It didn't show like how Ariel and Eric met.
I think that's what they cut out.
Yeah, because it did stop.
Yeah, it stopped. There was an issue there. They cut a big step out. All of a sudden, they were in the boat.
Yeah.
Nearly kissing. So
it was a little bit, I don't know.
But yeah, But I think that's where the issue was. Something went wrong. They had to reset stuff, and we missed a load of stuff out.
Yeah, but it was good. I can see what people say about like her tail looking really dodgy.
Where it looks like she's sat on something. It does.
Yeah, it looks weird.
If you look more at just her and her upper half, it looks more natural. When you watch on vlogs, then it doesn't look as natural at all.
Yeah.
Because even I could see through this camera, I could see more of the contraption.
Oh, right.
Which took away from what you can see with the naked eye.
Yeah.
So I could see less of that contraption. On here, you could see more of it.
Oh,
so
right.
I would say still go and see it.
Yeah, it's worth watching.
I think the sound tech guys, they didn't have the levels right at all. I don't know what they were listening to at the back of the little theatre.
There was a point where you couldn't really hear Ariel with like Ursula and stuff.
And the vocals for Ariel needed kicking up. You couldn't hear her that much. It should have been more powerful.
Yeah.
But that's just being picky.
Well, how do I know? It was clever, like how they used the screens and stuff. It was clever. It was good. It was definitely worth watching.
And how in the theatre they put like if there's wind. There's wind blowing.
Like wind.
If there's
bubbles, there's
thunder, lightning, it goes throughout the theatre. That was really good.
Yeah.
I would say go and watch it. Don't judge off of just vlogs, because what you can see from a camera is different than what you can see with a naked eye, as in the contraption. Yes, it still does look like she's sat down, but they can only improve on it. So
yeah.
I don't know. We are heading to Woody's lunchbox.
Yep.
To grab something to eat.
The Toy Story crowd.
There is a lot of people around. So let's see what we get now. So we are at Woody's lunchbox. We've got our food. It is wham. Macy's just got a child's
grilled cheese,
potato tots, and
tomato soup.
Tomato soup. Macy, try dipping some of that into your tomato soup. It's really good. And then Emily, she got
I just got the 3 cheese grilled cheese.
Grilled cheese and the tomato soup.
And then we got the Trillo tart. I think it's PB&J. It's the seasonal tart.
Yeah, the seasonal tart, the PB&J tart. Drink-wise, Emily got was this the Frozen Mystic Portal Punch, the non-alcoholic specialty drink? So she's got that one.
It's like Powerade and stuff.
And I went for the Grown-Ups Lemonade, which is the alcohol one, which is cherry vodka, lemonade, and black cherry puree. All of these came to a total of, excluding the tart, all these came to $52.76 in dollars, but because we're on the dining meal, it was free. Oh, and we paid for the PB&J tart separate, didn't we?
Yeah.
That was including tax. It was $3.31 or £3.93. Which I don't think is too bad for one of them tarts.
No, and this is very nice.
Very good. Very nice. Gonna try the alcoholic one. It's nice. I'll try some.
Yeah, like that.
Bit of cherry vodka in it.
Doesn't taste like alcohol.
No, just tastes like cherry. It's not fizzy.
No.
That's the only thing that catches me out on when it says lemonade. We're used to lemonade being fizzy.
Yeah.
Here it's
Not fizzy.
a still lemony drink. Macy got a massive cheese pull there. Oh yeah, and I got the... What did I get? Barbecue biscuit melt. What's it there? Got cheddar, Monterey Jack, pickles and barbecue sauce. And obviously brisket. And it looks class.
Very nice. I like it.
Mine had a massive pickle in it.
Did
I've
it?
literally just been chewing on it to get it out.
Oh.
If you like barbecue pulled pork, it's a bit like that. But then with cheese, pickles. The pickle's actually nice in it. I love pickles. Macy, do you like pickles? Macy likes pickle. Do you like a pickle?
No, not really.
No.
I definitely like McDonald's pickles.
I love McDonald's pickles. I always have Emily's. Do you want to try some of mine? There's no pickle sort of in it now because I've pretty much eaten the whole thing. You might not like it as much because it's barbecue sauce. I didn't really eat that much meat in the...
I didn't mean to.
Take that big of a bite, like.
I didn't take a big bite. It's alright.
It's good. I like the barbecue sauce in it.
Still tastes pickly.
You think?
Yeah.
Maybe pickle juice. But dipping this into the tomato sauce is beautiful. Now, after this, it's now 7:43. I think we're gonna have to head to Fantasmic to sit and get a seat. It's a bit annoying because it'd be nice to ride a ride before it, but you just don't have time really, and
The wait times are too long.
if you're watching Fantasmic, you do want to be there around an hour before, don't you really?
Yeah, to get a decent seat.
Get a decent seat. To watch it as well, it will probably be good from anywhere.
Yeah.
But also to sort of show it on here, it'd be better if we were at the front as well. To be honest, the more at the front you are, the better you can see it also. Macy's never watched Fantasmic. And the last time we tried seeing it, what happened? It got cancelled. And what happened when we tried sitting there for an hour to watch the rocket launch? It got
And
cancelled.
there's 11 seconds away.
Restart the whole thing, 11 seconds left. You were gutted, weren't you? Well,
Finished.
Emily has eaten all of hers. Were you hungry?
Yeah.
That is really,
I mean, it was
really
nice. It was nice. It wasn't anything to.
Right home about.
No. It was just nice.
I like mine. Mine's
It just
mine's
hit
good.
the spot for. I mean, I'm still hungry. I think because it's cooler, I feel like I can eat.
Yeah. That's the only thing when you are here in the heat, you just don't seem to eat as much.
No, but it definitely feels cooler. It might be because of all these fans. But it definitely feels cooler in here right now.
Because they sort of extended this area a bit, haven't they?
Yeah.
And they've got the...
I thought it was going to be a lot more extended.
I thought they were going to extend it more. But the only other thing, am I going red? I have a thing with alcohol. When I have a drink of
Got an
alcohol, I go a
allergy.
bit of an allergy to it. Get a bit red. And then go outside if I've been drinking. Ooh,
Right.
a bit drunk. But I'll be fine.
Oh, and I opened this bottle.
What do you want, a medal? I don't know if you can hear that, because... Oh, mic's wrong. Macy's like, and I opened the bottle by myself and nobody noticed. Alright, well done. You're right, you should be able to.
Right, I'm going to try this. It's got like... Looks like it's just got peanut butter in it.
What did we have last time here?
The strawberry one, I think.
I'm going to try a bit. Oh yeah, the peanut butter on the inside.
Peanut butter?
Eh?
It's just peanut butter, I think.
I know, it's a jam.
I don't know. Maybe it's just a peanut butter one. I don't know.
There's peanut butter on the inside.
I don't think these Pop-Tarts are anything special either. Maybe I'm really negative.
We're not trying to be negative, we're just telling the truth.
I mean, it's nice, but
Yeah, no, it's supposed to be a PB&J lunchbox tart. Last time we had a tart, it wasn't the best, was it?
they're very dry.
And I mean, if that had...
They're not full of like flavour. I think there's better things to eat.
Yeah, but I think, I mean, for the money, I still don't think it's too bad. £3 a bit.
Yeah. Oh, that's not bad.
For Disney, £3 something.
Yeah, that's quite good. Any jam?
I think the top's supposed to be like the jam.
Maybe. Well, it's just icing.
It's just icing. I don't know. Maybe the jam person wasn't working today.
Yeah. No, there's definitely no jam in there.
No. Got stinged out. Rubbish, innit? But then I don't know whether, because I've had alcohol,
Yeah, your face is rashy.
I get a bit red, I get a bit rashy, and I get a bit itchy as well.
Yeah, your face is very rashy now.
Oh, that's nice. What's it taste of?
It's a Powerade one, I think.
It has a taste of something.
It tastes like electrolytes.
Yeah, maybe that's what it is.
Like the salty.
It's nice though. I like that. Very good. Very nice. We're gonna eat up here. Gonna head to Fantasmic.
Pretty much eating everything now.
Yeah, just got a bit of soup. Don't eat all of that. Macy wants some of that. We're gonna head to Fantasmic next, and fingers crossed it's on, because otherwise Macy's gonna kick off.
The sky does look grey.
It does look grey. Fingers crossed, it'll be all right. We will see what happens. You will see in the next clip us going there, hopefully watching it. Sorry, Macy. Told me not to itch. Right, we will see you in a bit.
She's a roller coaster. Oh, she's so flame. I'm burning up inside, but I can feel no pain. I won't try to stop her. She can't be tamed. I'm so in love with her. I fall and try again. Get up and try. Get up and try again. Get up and try.
Nothing is more powerful than the imagination.
watched it. It was on this time.
Fantasmic. Whoop, whoop.
And it was fantastic.
Yes.
It was class.
It's great.
Did you like it? Macy loved it. She loved her magic band.
And we got
Lighting all up.
wet.
And we got soaked. Hopefully the camera's okay.
Not soaked, but
Well,
you did get wet where we were sat.
yeah, a bit moist. We're just going to head onto Rock and Roller Coaster since you can get on a ride before closing, and closing is at 10 p.m. tonight, and it's 9:46. So we're going to get on this. Not going to film during the line because we did that the other day. So
It was
we'll
Bedlam
see
trying
you.
to get out of Fantasmic as per usual.
Yeah, getting out of Fantasmic is a chew on. Hate it. It says wait time 50 minutes, but Disney always put the times up.
Well, I mean, it
towards the
does
end.
look quite long.
Hey, thank you.
Hi.
Yeah.
It does look
Disney always put the times up at the end to make you leave. But saying that, we're about the same sort of point as we were last time. It was about 40 minutes, I think, off memory. I can't remember. We're going to ride this ride, and we will speak to you in a bit. Haven't got our mics on, just got off the Skyliner. Tell you all about it after. We were talking at some point when we did the walk around the resort, and these are the ones that are getting sort of refurbished at the moment. Yeah, so this is the only disturbance is
It's not really a disturbance.
it's no disturbance, it's just you can't see into rooms. That's it. And it looks like it's the whole block sort of thing, maybe. Nothing that's really an issue. Basically just one half of the 60s
Block number 4.
is shut.
Building number 4.
It's just shut down. The other side is open, it's fine. And there's no noise. We haven't heard, there's more noise than cutting down trees. So yeah, that's it. We thought we'd just jump on and let you know. We'll
See you in a bit.
see you in a bit, as I say. And if we didn't say at the start, I'm Adam. Macy's. Macy's over here. See you in a bit.
I'm mustache Macy.
We are back. We got the Skyliner back. We
Yeah,
didn't.
it was pretty good actually because there was no queue. We just walked straight onto it.
We had a look around a few shops.
Yeah.
Made a few purchases.
Didn't get on Rock and Roller Coaster. I don't know if we've spoke to you since then, but it closed.
I think we have.
Technical difficulties or something. But I heard one guy saying that they were just saying that because they wanted everyone out of the park, which could be true. Who knows?
And then we were getting ready to start backing up this footage and realised we hadn't finished.
Yes. Yeah, I'm all like ready for bed. I even had my eye mask on. But I take that off my head
I
to.
chucked a different t-shirt on.
Yeah, we had a little look through. Oh my god! A little look
around a few shops.
Yeah, why can't I say through a few shops?
I don't know.
Got a couple of things.
We got the Skyliner back, and
Yeah.
it was dead.
Well, I said that. Yeah, we walked straight onto it, which is good. So, recommend hanging around the park for at least like an extra half an hour or something.
Got resort motions. Macy went to have a look at the
At
pins.
the pedal bar they had a pin trading board. Macy is really looking liking pin trading, looking for some Pluto pins on there.
She adores Pluto.
Yeah, she's obsessed with Pluto this trip.
Loves Pluto.
Bought 2 Pluto teddies this holiday.
Yeah.
She might end up with a third one, who knows.
There were some very kind people that were also looking at pins, weren't there?
Yeah, when she went to look at the pin
two girls
trading
and
board.
a guy. They looked through their pins and were speaking to her. Literally, Macy, we just said, oh, just She wasn't far away from us. So
Yeah,
it was
go have a look
go
at
have
the
a look.
board.
And they were asking her, like, oh, what sort of pins do you like and who do you like?
Yeah, what was she
and
looking for?
She said she was looking for Pluto and there wasn't anything. And
But she keeps calling it Pluto keyrings instead of pins.
yeah, yeah.
But then one of the girls found out that she has a Pluto pin and gave it to Macy, which was very kind of her. It's one of the things we love about Disney. Everyone's so kind.
Yeah, they just hung around. They looked through their pins, and she was like, "Look, I've got this Pluto one."
Yeah, she
You
just
can
gave
have
her.
it.
I asked her if she wanted anything
If she
for
wanted
it.
to
If she
swap
wanted
a pin, and
trade one of ours, but she said no. She was happy
she was
for
happy
Macy
to
to just
have
have it. So Macy was buzzing with that.
oh, Macy was absolutely ecstatic.
Yeah,
Ecstatic.
yeah. She was
She
very
was
happy.
really, really happy. So if anyone has anything Pluto, pins or anything,
Yeah, if you want to do any trades.
let us know. And
We don't have loads of pins
Macy would
to
be
trade, but
buzzing to get anything Pluto because she absolutely adores them. End of
yeah.
another good day. It was nice going to Blizzard Beach.
Yes, yeah, that was a good.
Enjoyed.
Good to see that. I'd love to see if we can get a Blizzard Beach pin. We didn't have any there.
Because I mean, we haven't been to Disney as much as a lot of other people have.
Yeah, this is our 4th time.
Yeah.
Which we're still.
So we are still relatively new to it
Yeah,
all.
but we're still very fortunate that we've been 4 times.
Yeah, we pretty much know our way around a lot of it, so it was nice to go to somewhere which we didn't have a clue and see somewhere brand new, just to explore it a little bit. Shame we didn't have longer, but it is what it is.
That's one good thing with Disney. There's always something new to do, I think.
Yeah.
Like each trip, you're never going to be able to do everything every trip.
There's-
Like we had loads of plans that we wanted to do, and tomorrow is our final full day.
More snacks we wanted.
Yeah, and we haven't done
Hardly any of them.
some of the stuff. Like a lot of the things that we were wanting to try and do.
And it's like we were saying, going from being a Disney adult to coming to Disney with a child, 2 complete different trips.
Yes, very different.
To take it
Equally as
differently.
good, but just
yeah,
very
definitely,
different.
but very different trips.
Yeah, very different.
But no, it's been nice. I've enjoyed today.
Yeah.
End of day. Is it 9? I think I had a look at
tomorrow's
which one I've
day
got to upload.
Day 10, I think, tomorrow. Final full day, and then we have a lot of Saturday still. We travel home later on a Saturday.
Our flight
on
isn't until
Saturday.
something like 9:30 or something. So, but yeah, we're gonna love you and leave you here. So if you've liked our vlog, please like, subscribe, notification bell,
all that good stuff.
My name's Adam.
My
She's
name's
Emily.
Emily.
That's Macy Mush. And that's it. That's the end of today. And we will see you tomorrow for us. Hopefully a week for you guys.
No pressure.
No pressure. No pressure on me. So yeah, we'll see you then. So thanks a lot for watching. And please make sure you like it. Click that like button. Even if you didn't, it helps us a little bit. Right, thanks for watching and we'll see you tomorrow.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
We're driving downtown, foot pushed on the pedal. Move through songs we played together. Feel like we're on holiday. I got a feeling it's a good day.